friends, this is Dr. Selvan. Today we are going to talk about an important topic, that is sexual transmitted infection, which is also known as sexual transmitted disease or venereal disease. This sexual transmitted infection is transmitted through sexual contact, which is caused by bacteria, viruses or parasites. Okay, now coming to the types, first is human papilloma virus. It is an infection that causes warts in various parts of the body depending upon the strain. And next is genital herpes. It is a common sexual transmitted infection marked by genital pain and sores. Next, chlamydia. A common sexual transmitted infection may not cause any symptom. That means it might be asymptomatic. You won't get any symptoms. Okay. Next, gonorrhea. Gonorrhea means it is a sexual transmitted infection. It is a bacterial infection. Okay. If untreated, it may cause infertility also. Next, urethral discharge. It is a discharge. There will be a discharge from penis with or without painful urination. Okay. And others are syphilis, HIV, etc. These are the common types of sexual transmitted infection. Okay, now coming to the symptoms. Okay, according to symptoms, there are two types of patients you get in your clinic. First is asymptomatic and second is symptomatic. Coming to symptomatic, there will be pain or discomfort during sexual contact or urination. Next, there will be sores, bumps or rashes on or around the penis, testicles, anus, buttocks, thigh or mouth. Next symptom is there will be unusual discharge or bleeding from the penis. And next is you will be feeling painful or swollen testicles. Next, in female or male, okay, you both will be having this symptom. They might be having itches around the penis or vagina. Okay. Now coming to the treatment, some recommended treatment for STD are depending on what STD you have. Okay, it is very important that you and your sexual partner be successfully treated for STD before assuming sexual contact. Otherwise, it can pass or infection back and forth between you. In treatment, you have to treat the patient by checking whether it is bacterial STD, viral STD or pubis like scabies, trichomoniasis, etc. Okay, now coming to prevention part, this is very important part. Okay, for treating a patient, this is very important, and you can prevent the patient also. Okay, using condom provide proper way to treat these persons. Okay, it is very important to use condom during vaginal, anal or oral sex, but condom can't fully protect this problem, which because it may transmit through skin to skin also. Regular STD screening is a very good idea for the person who is sexually active all the time. Thank you.